we're going to take this thing up, do a maiden flight on it, and see exactly how it goes. What do you think?
I say we do it.
It's really gusty today up top, so we're going to see how it does. I'm going to take it off without the gyro, and then I'm going to kick the gyro on too as well, okay? Hope this is successful, right?
It will be.
If not, it is what it is. Grace makes good content. Really, we're going to be taking off from left to right because the wind is coming that way.
Right.
Everybody's like, we never take off from left to right. I get to see it.
Especially when we got a stout wind like this.
Yeah, for sure. And this is no gyro. So you ready?
Go for it.
Up and away. Oh, wow. And, oh, wow. It rotated on its own. Okay.
Yeah.
Gear up. Oh, yeah. She's gusty up there.
Yeah.
It's pushing. I didn't check to see what the wind is doing, but it's got to be well over.
Oh, yeah. That wind is
I think I saw 22 is what we saw. So we're up there, guys. I'm at 50% throttle right now. Gyro on. And she's locked in. That F-22 punches through the wind very nicely.
She's quick, though.
Yeah. I'm going to trim it out. I am 4 mistakes high, so I'm going to try to get it out. I'm going to start breaking it down. All right, here we go. Nice. Very smooth. Look at it. She's pushing, and that's 50% throttle.
Yes, sir.
So that is very nice.